Sundays are for slowing down. For me, it's the day I gently ease back into myself after a long week. And trust, this week was long. I start off by making my bed when I get out of it. Open up them windows and let some light in. This is not the bat cave. I just feel like this is the best way to set the tone for the day. This Sunday, I want to focus on refreshing everything for the week. I started a new job this week and things have definitely been hectic with the shift in my schedule. I needed to hit some clear points this time around. Laundry, dishes, this crazy excuse for a room, and I definitely had to check in on my bathroom and my closet. So here's to soft Sundays, relaxation, and resetting gently so we can step into this week with peace. On a Sunday, you know we have to hit that reset button on the skin. If you know me, you know I never fix what ain't broke, okay? Noxzema has never failed me. Is it harsh? Yes. But does it get the job done? Yes. Next, I did add something new. This cream literally helps my eyes not look so tired. Of course, I follow up with my Dickinson's toner and shea butter. Very simple, very easy, very affordable. Betty on a budget, hello? Finally, on a Sunday, it's just as important to reset your mind as it is to reset your space. To do this, I like to journal. Throughout the week, I normally write however I'm feeling, but on a Sunday, I like to have a prompt. This time, my prompt was to write one thing I love about myself and one thing I want to better. This helps me stay self-aware and understand proper communication tactics. So today, I wrote about my abilities to analyze a situation and I want to change how I respond to those situations. Well, thank you guys for watching my video. And as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and share it with your friends and tell them to do the same thing. Until next time, guys.